If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to never miss any update from our channel.
Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Buzz, and today in this video I'll be unboxing this gaming keyboard from Byte, and it is the Corona edition. So basically you get the three variants, that is the rainbow color one, then the on single color there is the blue and the red one. The variant I bought is the blue color one. Model number is CBGK09 for the blue one, for the rainbow one is GK08, and for the red one it is GK10. And here are the specifications. So the interface is wired USB type A, and the backlight is single color and anti-ghosting 6 key rollover, and the voltage is 4.5 volt to 5.5 volt, and other hotkeys you get along with the normal keys. So it supports from Windows 98 to Windows 10 any bit, 32 or 64. So here are the information. You get a 12 months warranty, and the MRP written in this box is 1099. So I bought it from Amazon. So let's unbox it. So here is the product. So inside this you get the user manual. So if you want to read, you can read it. All the informations are written. So here you get the different gaming mode of controls. So for increasing the brightness, you can press function plus page up. For reducing the brightness, you can click function plus page down, and it has 4 level of brightness level and different. And if you press function plus W, it starts exchanging the color. So and you can lock that. So that's it. You can check for more state of the keyboard. So here's the main keyboard, guys. So the keyboard weight is quite heavy, guys, and the wire quality is very nice, and it is a braided wire, so you have no chance of getting any shocks, and you are shockproof. So the feel of the keys are really good, and it gives a tactile feedback. So and it is a type of mechanical keyboard, but not truly mechanical. So you can't change the keys as in the real mechanical gaming keyboard. You can change it. So now you can see how the sound and the tactileness of the keyboard is. So, and you can also change the height of the keyboard according to your convenience. So and at the downside the color is red. So now I will show you how to change the colors and the different levels. I will show you. So now let's move to our setup. To increase the brightness, so you have to click on the page up. Now as it is in the maximum brightness level, now I will show you how to decrease it. So it's 4 level, 1 2 3 4. So and after to increase it, as you can see, you can increase till 4 levels, and to on and off you can just click on and off, and to change the mode you can just click on the function and brightness level. So you can see the blink. You can see the rhythm is quite nice. The blinking of the light, it looks very attractive. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you like it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll put the description. I'll put the link of this product in the description below. Do check this out product and do buy.